Hi, so today I'm going to be doing approximating the definite integral from 3 to 6 of square root of x squared plus 7 this dx. Okay, but the question asked you to use 6 intervals and it asked you to use the trapezoidal rule. So as a reminder, the trapezoidal rule is a formula that we apply where you take the each of the you calculate your partition point, which I call h, over 2, and then you do the sum. And so I'm going to use that rule. We've used it in other videos, but the first thing I have to do is calculate my partition points. So I do upper limit minus lower limit, so 6 minus 3 over the number of intervals you wanted, which was 6, giving me 3 over 6, giving me 1/2. Okay. From there, I need to actually calculate each of the partitions. So I'm starting at 3 and I'm going every half. So 3, 3.5, 4, 4.5, 5, 5.5, all the way to 6. Those become the inputs to my function. So I then, I always make a table for myself so it's nice and neat. And I evaluate the function. So remember, this is f of x. I evaluate the function at those points. Now, if I did my calculations carefully enough, I got 4, 4.39, 4.8, 5.22, 5.66, 6.1, and 6.56. And then it's just a matter of applying the formula. So my formula would be my partition point 0.5 or half over 2 times. Okay, so you use the first point, then 2 times every point in the middle plus the last point. So you can see 6.56, I don't have to multiply by 2, and the first one I don't have to multiply by 2. But every point in between I have to multiply by 2. Now I did that out. You could have written it as 2 times 4.39 plus 4.80. It's the same thing. It's the distributive property. 5.22 and so on. So I just want to make sure you know that, but I wanted you to see that every point in the middle would get multiplied by 2. Okay, so then I simplified that to 4 plus 2 times 26.17 plus 6.56, giving me an approximation for the integral of 15.73. And again, using the trapezoidal rules, the midpoint rule, or Simpson's formula, they're really all the exact same thing, just you have to apply a formula. So you calculate your partition points, you plug those in to your function, get your function values, and then use those function values in your formula. All right, hopefully that was helpful. Have a great day.